Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play the Spider-Man simulator and how you can do the levels, beat the levels. I will just do level 1 because I don't think I have all time. So to dodge and attack, press control. To run, press shift. Fist is 1. 2 is, I think, the web that you can shoot to people like that. And I'm just going to, oh my god. And then I don't know what the third one does. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. That's what you need to do. I'm just going to attack the web first and then go to my fist. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.